Hello friends, so today I will talk about how you can develop your own, how you do develop a dashboard, agile dashboard. So let me give you a brief like what we are going to develop here. So let me show you. So this application we are going to build in the and with Angular. So we will going to develop this dashboard. So how we can add those tabs and how we can add the search and all those things, all those options. And if you see the responsiveness, so if you see here, like just open the mobile mode. So here we have this thing also carousel. So yeah, we have this breadcrumb. So in this, what we can do, we can close those tabs like that in the phone. So let's see. So how you can develop this basic layout and how you can additionally add more features. So first thing is, like as we know, in Angular we work with the modules, components, services. So firstly we define the like the module, like how we are going to start. So firstly in every application, if you see here, we generate develop the login page. So here we develop the login also. So with that login we can log into the page. So if I go to this, so now it will go, and here we are, what we are doing, we are using storage also. So if you see here in the storage, uh, we have added some flag. So here if you see this logged in true, so now we are using that. Okay, so now if I talk about more the project structure, more code you can practice. Like I will add the GitHub link uh, in the description so that you can get more idea. You can learn practically like how these things are working, and you can do more debugging, and you can create you can contribute on this project also, and you can learn from it like how we structure all those things. So little I will give you a little brief like how this structure work currently. So yeah, so here we lazy load the two modules, login and admin module. And what we have done, so to run those routes, we have added the router outlet, and this router outlet we have added. And so now what is the default route? The default route is admin module, so it will go to the admin module now. So let's go to admin module. And I also added the GraphQL thing also. Uh, so there are two ways we can consume the data. Like we have REST APIs and we have this GraphQL data also. So GraphQL basically it is an in-memory cache. Like it basically, so this is just a temporary database that we have used. But in this demo, I have used the dummy data to populate all these things. Like this data is coming from, this is a mock data that we have used. So if you see here, so we have used some mock data for it, so it is showing because of that. So yeah, we have multiple ways to render the data, like REST API, GraphQL data. So all those things we can also utilize. So now we were on the admin module because we have initialized the admin module here. So let's go to admin module, like how the routing work in admin module. So in that admin module, we are loading the layout component first. So if you see the layout component, so in the layout component we define the routes, like the navigation part, and here we define router outlet also because it also have a routing file. So now in the navigation we added all those things, and with that we will toggling the thing. And here also, so this navigation part on the responsive side we need to work on. And apart from it, in the top navigation we have added, like you see the navigation part, agile dashboard, we have search option, we have all those options. So we added like that. And what packages we have used here, so if you see here what packages we have used, like we have used animation cdk. So these are the packages that we installed here. And these are the default packages that we got after creating a new project. And for the charts, we have what we have used for the charts, we have used the Chart.js and ng2 charts. So and you can ignore this thing like Apollo and GraphQL because currently we have not used, because there are some issue in the API. So that is why we have not used Apollo and GraphQL for now. But later I will show you that also. So now if we move forward, uh, so yeah, here this is the default username password that we added, and yeah, here we imported the app root, so it will import that app root selector here. Now let's come into that. So layout component we have developed under it. We have navigation and all. So similar like that, like this is a top navigation, this is side navigation. So these are the things that are displaying. So if you see here, so these are the routes that we are displaying here. If you see here, so now let's back to what we are showing in the dashboard. So in the dashboard we are showing this home component. So in the home component what we have different kinds of projects still completed. So this is a dashboard that we are talking about. So this is the dashboard page that you talking about. So here we are displaying all those things. When user click on any search, so EP, so now search it, so it will show the data of this. If user click on jet, then it will show the data of another. So yeah, you can do state management to send data with the search data. So here we have all those details. Now dashboard layout. User profile component is also some dummy component. So yeah, on the click of this, we are just simply opening basic basic information of the user and all. And apart from it, like coming to the data, like this basically we are using to to render the project. So if you see here under the project, we are just displaying the what projects each client has. So yeah, it will display like that. And here if you see, we have declared the dummy data here. And just coming to here now. uh, so there is for data service module, router tab, directive, and page not found, services. So here if you see this service application service I'm talking about, like we have added this mock data, project list, client list, projects, client filter and all. And this is the login module. So for like this, for a scalable application we generally create modules, and under that we create different components. So yeah, login component, it is a fake interceptor that we created. And coming to like auth card. So yeah, we have auth card also, and core module. So totally we use the material components. So if you want to see the material component detail, so you can go to that module, because we have multiple modules. So in the different components we have used that thing. So here login module. So if you see here what components we have used, all these components we have used here. So if you see the charts, we have all those charts here. So in the home component, we have different kind of chart also, bar chart, donut chart, radar charts, all those things we have also. So thanks guys for watching. Like if you have any doubt or if you want to understand the structure more, so I also added the documentation also. So if you want to see the documentation, just open this index HTML. You will get to know the structure of it and how you can generate the documentation. Just run the npm run compo doc. So it will give you the proper structure. Now let me show you. Uh, yeah, you can check it. Yeah, thanks for watching.